Welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore the cool functions of our Roof Wizard software. Today we're looking at the construct roof functionality, but as it relates to a specific roof shape, and this is a little bit different from normal. This is the floor plan of the upper level, and if we look at our PDF document, you'll see that we've got a single slope roof that size, single slope roof that size sort of thing. But what makes it even trickier, if we pay attention to the roof plan down here, is that we have 12 degrees on one side and 14 on the other. And you go, that's a bit of a nuisance. So we need to then pay attention to the relative eave heights, because that will determine the best approach. And we see here the eave height there. Thankfully, they've drawn that all the way across. About in line with that edge of the roof is where the other side, the 12 degree side, is lining up with our wall. So that's important information for us to pay attention to. So understanding what we've got there, instead of using the roof plan, I'm going to use the floor plan because it gives me a better indication of what's going on the lower level. And it's clearly showing the outline of our primary roof area. How do we do it? Well, from the main menu, we go to Construct Roof. Oh, by the way, this image has already been imported and scaled, and now I'm going to digitize. So pay attention, because I'm not going to tackle this the way you might think. I'm going to start with this corner of the roof. And use your crosshairs. It helps you guide the way you want to go. And you'll see here that from our earlier investigation of this, the eave height here was about the same as the eave height as it aligned with that edge. So if I use my crosshairs to align with that edge, and then come all the way out to this side, and get that edge, right click, close square. It's going to be a 12 degree pitch. It's a second story and it's about 6 meters high. Actually it was 7, wasn't it? So we'll make that 7 meters. And we'll hit OK. And now I want a gable end there and a gable end on that edge, and continue. Right. So now we've got 12 degrees both sides, but what we really need is 14 degrees. So we'll use a change pitch on that and change that to 14, and bam, straight onto the ridge line. Perfect. But now what I need to do is drop this eave down so it's down to about here. So I'm going to use the drop eave function and drop that. And I don't quite know how far, so I'm going to measure it from there to there. It's about 920 something, 925, and we'll hit OK. So now that's there. Beautiful. So now all I have to do is use the cutout function, and I'm going to digitize the cutout, and I'm going to use the visible roof planes. And OK, so from there I'm going to go down to there. Now I would zoom in and out if I was to really be fussed about it, but for the purpose of demonstration, you'll know what I'm doing. I'm going to close square there, and you really want to cut that? Yes. Beautiful. And I've got another area over here I need to cut, so I use the cutout function again, and I'm going to get that corner and that corner there and out to there, and right click, close square, and cut that. Yes. Terrific. Now I'm going to do the lower level roof shapes, and so you're getting the drift. That's the hard part, and if we look at that in isometric view, you'll see it's just perfect. About the only thing you need to check at this point will be the line categories. That's gone in as a step flashing because it expects to be butting up to a wall, but in fact it won't be. In this particular geometry it's going to be a gable. So I'm going to delete all those things, and I'm going to change the pink lines to a gable line. Yep, and that one will be a gable as well, and that will be a gable. By definition, a gable has fascia's barge and barge cap installed, so that'll give you the right materials when you get round to ordering materials. And then this lower level, and I'll just do it real quick so you see the process. I'm going to digitize the edge of it, so from there out to there and down to there, and I might as well keep going since I'm here, around the wall and close square. And this will be a single slope roof, and the slope of that was 5 degrees. Oops, story 1, 5 degrees, 5, and the eave overhang is 0. The eave height of that will be 3.5, and okay, and the pitching line will be there. Continue. So that's that one in, and this fella, yep, righto, so we do exactly the same thing there. No, and we're going to digitize that outline, and we're going to start there and go up to there and out to that edge and down to the wall and over to there. Again, I'm being a little bit quick here, but you get the idea. And this is a single slope 5 degree pitch as well, same eave height, and we hit OK, and pitching line will be there. Yes, continue. There we go. So there's our roof. And so for our friend Omar, who requested information on how to do this, I hope that works for you, Omar. Thanks for the question. It was a good one. And the key point is that this now is exactly what you expect to see. If we look at the 4 views, the zoom fit, in each view you'll see, look, that looks exactly like our plan, and if we're not sure, we can go down to our PDF and have a bit of a look around, and yep, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? So zoom out a little bit. So we've got a little low level roof there, the other little lean-to roof there, and we've got, yeah, that's terrific. Okay, so that's a Feature Friday for this week. Hopefully you found this interesting and useful. If you have, please subscribe, and we release a new video just about every week, so if you subscribe you'll get notification. So check us out, subscribe, and hit the like button too. That makes my day, and have a great weekend. We'll see you again next week. Bye for now.